What's up, guys? So today in this video we're going to be going to Matt's shop and we're going to start the building process of the motor. We had everything torn down, everything's good to go. Now since we got all the parts in, we are ready to go and get everything in the motor. So I'm gonna see you guys at Matt's shop. All right, later. Got the pistons and rods ready to go in the block. Like I mentioned, these are the MWR forged connecting rods. So those should be pretty sturdy. I for sure spent a little extra money than I should have, but you know, it's all worth it in the long run when I boost it, so yeah. All right, so warming up the piston. All right, got all the pistons together. Almost ready to go back in the motor. Looks good for sure. The root of all my problems is going away, finally. Got these brand new OEM piston rings. Ah, man. A lot of smoke when you let off the gas for sure. And hopefully that'll be solved with everything I'm doing. If it doesn't, I might cry and go wreck the car.
Valve guide seals.
Yeah, it could have been the valve guide seals, but got some new of those. So good on that too. MWR coated rod bearings going in. So we decided to clean up the block a little bit. Definitely helped. You know, make it look sort of pretty. You know, it's got 225,000 miles on it, so can't make it perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than it was for sure.
The junkyard way.
We got the block cleaned up a little bit, or a lot. It was caked up with oil, big time. My detailer right here, Mr. Boots, got it all hooked up for us. Got the head studs going on.
Yeah.
Got the gasket on there, head gasket. Got all the pistons in.
Yeah.
Sweet. Heads are going on.
Big cut. Lid on it, right? The injectors don't have to go on first, huh? I believe so. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, that's good.
Gotta pull the head.
Got the headers on. Well, not right now, but OBX, cheap ass headers, but it'll work. It'll do. All right, got the motor wrapped up for day one. got some definitely some good progress. Whoa. Got the heads on. Definitely some good progress. We should make a lot of progress tomorrow for sure. But yeah, that's the end of day one and the end of the first video. Fastest 2GR naturally aspirated motor in the world. Sweet.